March 18, 2022, and I just received my new iPad Air from Apple. Yes, the one with the M1 chip and the 8 GB of RAM. I ordered the new blue model, typical Apple packaging. I believe last year it was, or the last generation, it was a sky blue. Packaging. It's the exact same dimensions. I ordered the one with the base model, the 64 GB. This is the iPad, designed by Apple in California. Power brick, USB-C cable. Although Apple's slogan for this device is, light, bright, and full of might, this is actually a tiny bit heavier than the last generation, and only a very small, I believe 60 nits brighter than, and no charge. So I cut out the rest of the video because it was basically me trying to charge it with different cables and chargers. But nothing worked. I ended up contacting Apple support. They couldn't help either. So the iPad Air, I got a dead on arrival. I hope this is not indicative of Apple's quality control going downhill. Thank you for watching the video.